Hello, this is Anurag from ORB Academy, GAN Academy. This is a quick video on how planetary ingress affects Forex. So we have a chart of the Euro USD. Planetary ingress means whenever the planet changes the zodiac sign. Okay, so in this case, what I am using is the heliocentric ingresses of Venus. I'm just plotting Venus using this indicator, and we see that Venus has been bringing in good reversals, good trend changes. So have a look here. This is again Venus here in Aquarius, and then you have got Venus here in Pisces, then again you have got Venus here in Taurus. So whenever this sign change is happening, the market actually is reversing. Similarly, something here you can see here it goes up, here again it comes down, from here it goes up. So this seems to be giving a good turn. So this is just to showcase that how planetary ingresses movements actually affect stock prices, and this can be a part of your strategies. Now, simple strategy here could be just a high and low break of these candles could help you in entering a trade, of course using some other technicals you want to use. So this is an indication as to how planetary changes affect stock prices. This is a beautiful top here, you can see this. Then this stops here, the slide stops and goes sideways here, and then again the moment this sign changes, it starts falling. Beautiful reversal here, beautiful reversal here. So you could explore this concept and start using this in your trading as an additional marker. Have a wonderful day. See you again. Bye bye.